So, you've opened your A-level biology textbook and realized you know absolutely nothing? Clown face, don't worry, you're not alone. Welcome to the most chaotic subject in existence. Most students think biology is just coloring in cells and memorizing the names of plants. But in reality, it's a high-stakes, microscopic drama where everything is trying to either kill you or keep you from dying. Today on Planet Snaps, we are doing a Snap Revised special. We're going to roast the curriculum and show you why your body is actually a walking, talking biological disaster waiting to happen. If you think you're prepared for your exams, buckle up, because this is going to be a bumpy ride through your own veins. Let's start with the basics, the cell. Your teachers call it the building block of life, but it's actually more like a toxic corporate office. You've got the nucleus, acting like a CEO who never leaves his office but sends out endless emails, we call those mRNA. Then you've got the mitochondria. Yeah, everyone knows it's the powerhouse of the cell, battery, but in reality, it's the only thing keeping the lights on in this dump. If the mitochondria decides to quit, the whole company goes bankrupt in seconds, and you stop existing. And don't even get me started on the lysosomes. They're basically the janitors that have the power to dissolve the entire building if they get bored. You aren't a person, you're just a trillion-story skyscraper managed by tiny, aggressive robots. Next up, we have genetics, or as I like to call it, God's spaghetti code, DNA. Your DNA is a 3 billion letter instruction manual. If you think your computer's operating system has bugs, you haven't seen your own genome. A single typo in your DNA sequence, one tiny mutation, and instead of being a functioning human, you could end up with a third arm or a fatal allergy to peanuts. It's absolutely savage. We like to think we're the peak of evolution, but we're actually just a collection of genetic glitches that somehow survived long enough to buy a smartphone. Your A-level revision notes will talk about alleles and phenotypes, but they won't tell you that you're basically a biological software update that's still in beta testing. Now, let's talk about the immune system, the only part of biology that's actually a 24/7 action movie. Microbe fire right now, inside your bloodstream, there is a body count higher than any Hollywood film. Your white blood cells are cold-blooded killers. They don't negotiate. They don't take prisoners. When a virus enters your system, your T cells don't just ask it to leave, they perform a full-scale tactical assassination. The only reason you're alive to watch this video is because your internal military is more aggressive than a hungry shark. Biology isn't just science, it's an eternal struggle between you and billions of microscopic monsters that want to turn your internal organs into a buffet. You are a walking fortress, and the war never ends. So, is A-level biology still just a boring subject to you? It's a miracle we're even here. Revision isn't about memorizing facts to pass a test, it's about understanding the chaotic machine you live inside. If you want more savage science that your teachers are too scared to tell you, hit that subscribe button on Planet Snaps. Stay curious, stay savage, and for the love of science, go study your enzymes. See ya in the next one.